In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a shopping cart to your Squarespace website. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or just looking to enhance your site's functionality, adding a shopping cart is an essential step. This feature not only provides your customers with a seamless shopping experience, but also boosts your site's professional appeal. Let's dive into the process and get your Squarespace site ready for e-commerce. First, you'll want to head over to your home page. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of the screen and click on the Edit button. This will allow you to make the necessary adjustments to your site. Remember, making changes to your Squarespace site is straightforward, but it's always a good idea to ensure you're comfortable navigating the interface. Next, take your cursor and hover over your site header. This is typically where important navigation elements are located, including your shopping cart. Once you're hovering over the header, click on Edit Site Header. This will open up the header configuration menu where you can adjust various settings related to your site's header design and functionality. Now, in the header configuration menu, look for the section labeled Elements. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options that you can toggle on or off. This is where you'll find the cart switch and simply toggle the switch to on. And just like that, you've activated the shopping cart feature on your site. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference by providing your visitors with an easy way to view their purchases. With the cart now enabled, it's time to customize the icon to fit your site's style. You have a few different options here. You can choose between a shopping bag, a traditional cart, or even a minimal text option, depending on what suits your site's aesthetics best. Additionally, you can adjust the size of the icon to align perfectly with your header design. This customization ensures that the cart not only functions well, but also enhances the visual appeal of your website. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your shopping cart icon, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save button and your updated site will be live with a fully functional shopping cart. This final step is crucial. Without saving, all your hard work might not be reflected on the live site. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step way to add a shopping cart to your Squarespace website. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to creating a user-friendly online shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your Squarespace site. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your online presence.